Hi guys, thank you for tuning to Rana Space channel, and today I am going to unbox this AutoFy fog lights for the car, and later in the video you will see that I will be installing this to my car. You know that I have a TUV 300, so let's get in unbox this thing. So while opening this box, let me tell you this light I have got from Amazon, and I have checked lot of reviews of this light on the Amazon, then only I have ordered this. The price of this is 900 bucks, 900 something, 980 rupees, around approx 1000 rupees, and this is from a local brand, Indian brand, AutoFy. So there is some paper regarding the product. Yes, yeah, welcome letter, some warranty instruction. That's all here. Now in box you will see I ordered for a yellow one. See here, it is nicely packed in a wrap pack. One light, and this is the second light. So let me take out this wrap and show you how does it look like. So guys, have a look how premium it looks like. It's a very nice product. I have been searching for such kind of product in Karol Bagh market, lot of shops, but I did not find any quality matching this one. It is very nice. I think the throw is also nice according to review. Later I will install on my car and show you. Apart from that, in the box we do get on off switch. This is on, this is off, on, it's off. So this switch is basically for bikers, because this is we cannot install in the car, but definitely I have already a switch I will install. These are some stands, and again these are the hooks to install on the car. I have already got a base of steel where I will install this. So guys, that's all in the box. So please do watch this video further for the